Ang coconut fruit, guys, kasali na ang kanyang meat, water, milk ay nagbibigay ng health benefits dahil mayaman ito sa MCT or medium chain triglycerides for quick energy. Yung manganese naman for bone health at saka antioxidants. So, according to research pa rin, guys, ang key health benefits ng coconut ay number 1, boost energy levels. Dahil nga mayaman sa MCT, yun ay nadadigest directly ng katawan at saka nako-convert agad into energy kaysa being stored as fat. Sinusuportahan din niya ang heart health. Yung coconut meat niya ay nag-i-increase ng good cholesterol. At saka yung potassium niya ay may content naman na nagre-regulate ng blood pressure. Number 3, the health benefits ay blood sugar management. Tumutulong ito na mag-regulate ng blood sugar levels. Marami pa pala, guys. Number 4, immunity booster. Number 5, improves digestion. Number 6, rich in minerals. And number 7, promotes healthy skin and hair. So maliban sa masarap ay marami siyang health benefits. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay updated, like, follow, and share.